Hello and welcome to the channel. Project builds and scale models here. Today we are going to be doing a wheel swap in the Nissan Patrol. Greenlight collectibles, Garbage Pail Kids 1965 Nissan Patrol. Limited edition, it doesn't say how much were made. I will be using the Greenlight collectibles tire and wheels pack. Dodge Ram, I believe there's 3 different series from the pack. There's the BF Goodrich, the Dodge wheels, and the Ram wheels. I have the Ram wheels. They're looking pretty good. This is my first time using these Greenlight wheels, so pretty excited to see how well they'll fit. Pretty nice tread on there. Here's the axle rod that came in the pack. I went and got the .039 MISC and .047 MISC wire at Hobby Lobby by K&S Precision Metals. Here is the Greenlight collectibles, Garbage Pail Kids 1965 Nissan Patrol. Comes with a hitchhike mic collectible sticker, auto coolant peelable. When I seen this on the pegs at Hobby Lobby, it caught my eye and I knew I had to have it. I haven't seen a Nissan Patrol in any diecast brand before. This is my first time. So when I seen it, I knew I had to get it. Very nice packaging.
Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
I love the details on this casting. The bottom of the casting is actually a 2-piece mold. So there's the flat mold that holds the casting together, and there's the suspension mold that lifts the tires from the body. You'll see that in a minute. But here the roof comes off. Pretty nice feature if you would like to detail the inside. I'm hoping to leave this casting as is. Hopefully I won't be able, or not be able, but hopefully I won't cut it up or nothing. It's a very nice casting. I am going to put some tires on there. We will see which tires I put on in a minute. As you see on the bottom here, that's the 2-piece mold that I was talking about. One flat plate to hold the rivet in, and the mold, the suspension mold. A little bit. Boom, there's the wheel swap. And this swap, in my opinion, is a fail. Both tires don't run freely. I would have to modify the bottom of the suspension to be able to raise the wheels and clear the fender, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Maybe in a later video, but as of now, the Patrol will have these set of wheels on there. Very nice casting. Here's the wheels that I took off. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for a small haul video.